Hi guys. Wait a second. I'm not feeling complete. Okay. Can't get. Oh, perfect. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. It has been a minute. It's been a minute. And let me tell you something. I thought about this all the time. I was like, why, sometimes I feel like, first of all, if you're new here, hi, my name is Morgan. I really am obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. I honestly just love it. I don't mind spending money on it. I love investing in myself, and I love coming on YouTube and sharing all my favorite beauty finds. And in today's video, I'm gonna because I haven't been on YouTube in a minute, I just want to show you guys what I've been up to with regards to the beauty products I'm using. Since you guys last saw me, I got a new puppy. Her name is Mary. She's a Bedlington Terrier, and she's honestly precious. And also, if you don't know, I suffer from fibromyalgia, so it's very hard to multitask. So once I got my new puppy, I needed to focus on training her and grooming her. And of course, when you have professional show dogs, the grooming products you use on them, let me tell you something. There is a whole beauty world, for dogs that we don't even think of. I'm on here and I'm I need to stop myself because you know me. I'll go to the top very fast. And I need to kind of find, it's beauty for people is a journey. For me, I started from the bottom and I tested and I tested and I tried all these different things until I found La Mer and then realized, stop investing in a cheaper product, invest in a better product, and then you will be so much happier with your results. Hey! So that's kind of how it's going for me in the grooming world for dogs. I'm just getting a little wild, and I know I need to reel it in because I can be bored. You know me. I'll drop some shmoney, honey. Okay, so love you guys. She's back, feeling good, needed to reset. I like to be authentic as possible on my channel, and if I'm feeling a little tired, I don't want to bring you guys lackluster content either. Do you know what I mean? Who wants to, I don't want to be on here delivering less than what is owed to you guys. You guys deserve the best. Okay, anyway. Let's just start with the beauty products that I've been liking and I have been using for a considerable amount of time this summer. So, first things first. We're gonna start with the AUTEUR Definitive Lip Renewal right here. I hope you guys can make that out. This is their lip product. It's super moisturizing. I use it all the time before bed. Comes like this, and you just twist it, and it comes out, and then you just apply it. It has this great applicator. Oh, I'm putting it over my lipstick. I can't believe I'm doing this. Anyway, I love the way it feels on my lips. It's so soft and hydrating and buttery, and it's so nice, even as a lip gloss. But I wouldn't recommend using it as a lip gloss because this has a ton of benefits for your lips that I don't think should just be, used cosmetically. I think it should be used to help your lips rather than just a basic lip gloss you can get. So yeah, I've been using this almost every night before bed. My lips are always smooth. They feel good. I don't have complaints about it. It's just, I have small lips. My upper lip is barely existent, and then I have my bottom lip. So for me, I don't really care. I know, I've tried lip plumping products before and I just never liked it. This doesn't make your skin tingle or uncomfortable. It really does just smooth everything out and hydrate you, and gently exfoliates your lips so you have just a smooth application. So even if you do have fuller lips, I think you would really, really enjoy this product because you really do want to invest in making your lips as buttery and smooth and soft as possible, and this definitely is nice. Mary! Pixie! No! Moving on. So, some sun protection, right? Because it's summer now, right? So Shiseido Ultimate Sun Protection Lotions, SPF 60 plus, broad spectrum, water resistant up to 80 minutes. It's for face and body, shake well before use. I took this down to the beach. I took it down to Turks and Caicos, actually. Now, for me, when it comes to SPFs, I'm a stickler for waterproof, because when you're at the pool, when you're at the beach, or you're sweating, I don't want something that's just gonna come off like every time I go in the water. You know, I like to really relax, and I want products that really work. I do have to say, I liked this. It's nice, gives back to your skin, and I think it did a nice job. I would like to see more protection for 60 plus, but this is something that I've been using. I'm gonna take it again to the beach with me tomorrow, so we're gonna see really what kind of sun protection it does. I will say my face didn't get burnt, but this whole area, but I blame, I don't blame Shiseido for it. I blame Supergoop. I use Supergoop all here, and I got burned. I mean, I was in the Caribbean, and that's different kind of sun. Like, that's next level, next level. So I wasn't, that's why I don't have Supergoop on here right now. I got very burned, and I was using all this La Mer to soothe it, and thank God thanks to, God, I'm not even talking about this anymore. Thanks to the concentrate by La Mer, it really healed things for me, so I didn't get super sick and painful. By the time I woke up, the sunburns kind of subsided and was soothed, thank God, but that took really expensive La Mer concentrate to fix. So I think just be super careful about the stuff that you use. I wasn't crazy about Supergoop's protection, but I did like this the best, so I'm gonna try it again. Again, this is water resistant up to 80 minutes, and I think to be water resistant, I think that's super important. Next on my list is going to be hair related. As you can see, I have my hair just super wild and natural, and it's back to being thick, back to being healthy. I was born with a full head of hair, girl, so once it got burned off when I moved 2 years ago, I missed it. I was like, yo, I can't stand this thin hair. I can't even put in full ponytails. I have a thick hair, girl, so I like it. Thick hair, don't care. So this product I've been using a lot. It's by Ion, and it's their Keratin Smoothing Tonic right here. I bought this at Sally's Beauty Supply, and I have to say, I absolutely love it. It makes my hair soft, but I don't use it in a way, I don't actually use it to straighten my hair. I will use it as a scrunching thing. This obviously you could see my crease from my ponytail, but what I'll do is I will scrunch my super thick hair with it. So it almost it lays really soft, and I still get my waves from it, and it doesn't make my hair greasy. It makes it shiny and soft and smooth, and that's from the keratin in it. I've tried a lot of hair keratin products before, and let me tell you, a lot of them don't work. This is really nice. So I definitely would recommend this to you. If you want straight hair, recommend it. If you want a curly smooth or scrunchy smooth type vibe, I love it. I love it. I love it even over the Kerastase blow dry, because I like to use those lotions and stuff, those smoothing agents, to just kind of act as a gel / smoother to make it look a little more controlled, to make it look a little more tame, like a little junk, Lion King. I kind of always just refer to this as my Mufasa mane, my nickname used to be Mufasa, because I just would show up to the club with this crazy hair, and then when I would dance, I'd be sweating my ass off because I have all this on my head. So then I would just be yeah, and because it was always in my face, but I would just be dancing, and my hair would be crazy. Where am I going with this? Bottom line is, my hair is a big part of my life, and the products that I use with it are very important, and it's no joke. okay? No joke. So I do love this. I do think it does exactly what it says. I got it at Sally Beauty Supply. Like I said, I'm gonna find this and I'm gonna link it below for you guys if you just wanna pick it up online. I'm telling ya, it's hard to find a good smoothing lotion. I'm telling you, especially when you have hair like ours, this is really nice because I like to use it in conjunction with this. It's the Conair Pro Ceramic Tools. Hot rollers. What? Hot rollers. Oh my God, I found my love for hot rollers, you guys. First of all, I just wanna say I never use them. Like I never used rollers and this, like this is always looked at as kind of like an old school thing. Where you actually, I got the ceramic ones and it's Conair Pro. Like nothing crazy, right? And you wrap your hair in this and you heat it up. Like if you're not familiar with hot rollers, like me, I never use anything like this because I got this feeling, right? I was like, I want 90s fluff. It was for Fashion Week when I went in February and I was like, I really want to feel like a 90s fluff vibe. And I looked up tutorials on how to use it because you want like really shiny, smooth hair when you want to do like a curl like this. Like I don't do pinup curls, like doll curls. I'm not talking like that. I'm talking like, I don't even know how to describe it. Like I guess a 90s fluff. You want it to be smooth, shiny, and you want it to fall on your, you want it to fall nice. So this was recommended to me. So you coat your hair with this, and be like liberal with it. Like you want to use a lot of it. Then once you blow dry your hair nice and smooth with this, you then use these. And then when you undo it, your hair, my hair at least, is soft, it's flowy, it's smooth and shiny. Like it gives 90s fluff. It gives Kate Middleton. For me, I get like a Kate Middleton vibe. I don't know, like that shiny, healthy, bouncy, smooth hair that looks together like you've done it. Like, it's just so nice. So if like you're scared to use hot rollers because you're just like, oh my God, that's so like, I don't even know what generation. Don't be. Use them. Try them out. You can do a lot with hot rollers. And I'm honestly a big fan of hot rollers. They're a lot of work because I use a lot of products, get what I want, but girl, you gotta try it. Okay, so the next product that I want to share with you guys, of course, is the AUTEUR Definitive Restoration Cream. This has been primarily the moisturizer I've been using. All AUTEUR. So it's very hard. I did get the La Mer Fresh Cream. I don't like it. Honestly, it makes my skin irritated. It makes my skin like red and like I see irritation when I use the Fresh Cream. So I always go back to my AUTEUR products. And this one I like because the other one, the Definitive Density Cream, which I love, by the way. I love that cream a lot. You just have to watch because it's got a lot of AHAs in it, and sometimes when I don't want something as hardcore, maybe, does that make sense? I'll go in with this, especially if I know I'm gonna be in the sun a lot. The Definitive Density Cream isn't like ideal for that, and I wouldn't say this is ideal either, but this is the lesser of the two because of all of that chemical exfoliation and restoration benefits in your skin. The sun, you have to be super careful with that when you're working with chemicals now on your face because the sun is gonna get that fresh skin and like fry you. So that's why you need a nice Shiseido. But when I'm not going to be on a beach like normal or when I'm sleeping, I really like this restoration cream. It just gives my skin this bounce and vitality, and it's so balanced, and I don't need all of, the best part of AUTEUR, best part, is it is so high quality and so packed with the best ingredients, and it's designed to just hone in on the cells that it needs to go to, is you don't need a lot of these products. You need one pump on your face, right? And that eliminates so many extra products. So this is honestly what I've been up to with my skin. And you guys know I adore AUTEUR. I adore this brand. I have nothing but honestly incredible things to say. this brand is just quality and effective, and it's expensive, but if you don't want all that lush, you don't want the perfume, and you don't want this bougie looking product like Clé de Peau does and gives you, and you want something it's expensive, but it's to the point, AUTEUR is just it. It's just awesome. I love it. Okay, well, then I have 3 La Mer products that, of course, I'm going to rave about. You guys already know Creme de la Mer. It's always going to be on my list of things I adore. But I take a full La Mer routine to the beach every time I go. Creme de la Mer it is, because I know I'm going to need that Restore. Because La Mer products, until now, they're just they're starting to release AHAs, but like the OG Creme de la Mer and all that, it doesn't have those types of properties. It just has nourishment and the miracle broth, and I like to take them down to the beach because I don't want something like an AUTEUR where I'm gonna be exposed to deeper sunburn. La Mer is just so healing. So anyway, I've just been bouncing, and you guys know this in several of my videos, I've been bouncing between these 2. I know AUTEUR says they don't like when you use like other products. They really just want their specific products on your skin. And then in time, your skin is gonna look insane, like a facial, like every day. But I don't know, if my skin is feeling moody, or it's not feeling balanced, and it's giving red, and it's giving sunspots, or it's giving something like, no, sunspots. If I have sunspots, I do like to use AUTEUR to exfoliate that. But anyway, hey, no! I bring out the big guns, and it depends on how I use them at night. If I want a really smooth, healthy looking glow during the day, I will use this. This is a splurge, but most of the time I like these at night. If I'm feeling dry, if I'm feeling not my best, these will help balance my skin out and give me just that magic.